Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome back to the SJOLIE YouTube channel. Today we're going to be breaking down the Apollo Mighty Mist Ultimate Starter Kit. Starting off with the turbine, this turbine can handle 50 plus spray tans a day, so this is a great fit for any stationary technician spraying at a high volume. Moving on to the applicator that comes with this turbine, it's going to be the Apollo T5020 stainless steel gun. This gun is a great option for any technician spraying at high volumes. Moving along to the solution that comes in this kit, you're going to get our original number 6, original number 9, Lux 12, original 12, Lux Rapid, original Rapid solutions. You also will get a quart of training solution. So this is a great tool for you to use to practice your spray tan technique. It's just strictly cosmetic bronzers, so no active ingredient in it. It does not contain DHA, so this will rinse off as soon as the client steps into the shower. Along with solution, you will also get a couple additives with this spray tan kit, starting off with the pineapple scent additive, DHA booster, and golden shimmer. You also will receive prep products in your kit as well. So this will be your barrier cream and pH balancer. These are essential prep products before going in with solution. You will also receive a hose in your kit. This is what is going to connect to your turbine and then attach to your gun. If you have any questions about the Apollo Mighty Mist Starter Kit, feel free to contact our customer service line and we'll be happy to help you with any questions.